beautiful friends, and it's 2 days before Christmas and we are still wrapping our Christmas presents. Grabe, hindi pa ako matapos mag-wrap ng mga presents for our family. So this time, ito ay mga regalo ko for my sisters and for my brother-in-law. So medyo sila yung mahirap bilhan kasi sila yung medyo masenan na bilhan na regalo. But anyway, ito yung regalo ko para kay this is twin sister ko na si Grace Falone Schooling. So ito yung mahilig kami actually sa mga scented candles. So binilhan ko siya from Bath and Body Works ng iced lemon pound cake na scented candle. Sobrang bango nito. So, pwede siya actually, para siyang summer scent, pero pwede na any season. Wala namang season dito sa Pilipinas, kaya okay lang yan. Tapos, binilan ko din siya ng isang perfume from Watsons. Sobrang bango nito. I think na nagawan ko naman siya ng haul. So, makikita nyo na lang yan sa other videos ko. But anyway, this is for my twin sister. And, eto, yung mga panregalo ko kay Ate Sharon, sa ate namin, tapos sa mga brother-in-laws ko.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love.
Good morning, everyone. It's 2 days before Christmas and we're going to the grocery store again. So, may mga kulang pa tayo for our Christmas Christmas Eve and Christmas Day celebration kasi we will be hosting yung Christmas Eve. Darating yung mga cousins ko. So, we're gonna have dinner sa bahay. And then, on December 25 naman, so meron kami reunion, family reunion, pero sa ibang place yan gaganapin. But after that, yung family namin will be staying dito sa bahay namin. So, we're gonna be hosting again Christmas dinner naman. So, ayun, we need to go to the grocery store para mamili ng mga few items and ng mga ilang gamit na kulang pa tayo na lulutuin on Christmas. So, let's go. Nandito na tayo sa my grocery. So, mag-grocery na tayo.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir of folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really knows how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids.
We're here na sa Mr. DIY and magtitingin lang tayo ng mga panregalo ni nanay. So kulang pa siya for kids and some para sa mga pamangkin niya.
Tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really knows how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So these are super cute. Grabe ang gaganda nila. So bibila natin ng panagala si nanay para sa mga kids. Guess. Super gaganda. Grabe.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir of folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody.
Hello everyone! So I'm back home. Ngayon, mag-haul lang ako ng mga pinamili ko kanina. So, after ko mag-grocery, dumaan na rin ako ng Mr. DIY and ng Walter Mart department stores. So, meron ako binili ito. Pinapabili kasi ako ni Daddy Jed ng sling bag. Actually, super cute niya. I super love tong mga to kasi meron sa akin nagbigay from Japan. Yung isang churchmate namin, binigyan niya ako ng isang bag na katulad nito. Same material. Tapos, guess, no, si Grace Homeschooling, nung nagpunta sila sa Japan, nag-request din ako ng the same material na bag and same style pero different, shock print lang siya. So, this one, I got this one from the department store and super cute na sling bag. So, ayan, 299 pesos. So, medyo may kamahalan pero pwede na rin siya. Tapos, meron akong binili na slides. Ayan. Kailangan ko kasi ng slippers na medyo nababasa. Dahil ang party namin ng Christmas, reunion namin ng family ko will be sa resort. So, kailangan natin yan. Tapos, bumili na rin ako ng isang jogging pants. Buti na lang nagkasya siya sa akin. Super ganda. Super love the material kasi sobrang lambot niya. So, ito yung pinamili ko from Walter Mart. Then, ito naman yung pinamili ko sa Mr. DIY. So, meron tayong, ito pala, galing din ng Walter Mart. So, bumili na ako ng gift wrapper. Just in case na magkulang pa tayo kasi hindi pa ako tapos magbalot ng regalo ni nanay especially. And so meron akong binili na mga paper bag. So each family, meron silang paper bag para madali na lang ibigay or ibigay yung mga gifts natin. So ganyan na lang yung ginawa ko. Tapos meron akong binili na gift para sa inaanak ni Daddy Jed. So ito na lang yung binili ko. And for sure magugustuhan niya to. And then, of course, yung pinaka-favorite kong binibili sa Mr. DIY, yung mga toilet gels. Sobrang bango. Favorite ko to. Ito, super cute na organizer or planner. Sobrang hilig ko sa mga ganito yung mga stationery and all. Super ganda. So, hopefully, magamit ko siya by next year kasi basta, ayan. So, hopefully, magamit ko siya next year. Basta, may plano tayo. And then, bumili lang ako ng mga mga pang-gifts ni nanay. Di pa kasi siya kompleto. So, bumili na ako ng mga panregalo. Ayan, ito yung mga panregalo ni nanay. Grabe, super cute yung mga stationaries ngayon sa Mr. DIY. So, ito yung isa sa binili ko. And for sure, magugustuhan niyo yung regaluhan ni nanay. So, yun lang naman yung mga napamili ko kanina. So, 2 days before Christmas na lang. And tomorrow will be another day. So, see you again tomorrow for our Christmas, a day before Christmas and Christmas Eve celebration. So, see you tomorrow!